Got that good stuff in cause one era. I got that good stuff in cause one era. You got that good stuff in cause one era.
Don't depend on death to liberate you from imperfections. You are exactly the same after death as you were before. Nothing changes. You only give up the body. If you are a thief or a liar or a cheater before death, you don't become an angel merely by dying. If such were possible, then let us all go and jump in the ocean now and become angels at once. Whatever you have made of yourself thus far, so will you be hereafter. And when you reincarnate, you bring that same nature with you. To change, you have to make the effort. This world is the place to do it. Change yourself, and you have done your part in changing the world. Millions of people never analyze themselves. Mentally, they are mechanical products of the factory of their environment. Preoccupied with breakfast, lunch and dinner, working and sleeping, and going here and there to be entertained. They don't know what or why they are seeking, nor why they never realize complete happiness and lasting satisfaction. By evading self-analysis, people go on being robots, conditioned by their environment. True self-analysis is the greatest art of progress. If you want to be sad, no one in the world can make you happy. But if you make up your mind to be happy, no one and nothing on earth can take that happiness from you. Let my soul smile through my heart, and my heart smile through my eyes. that I may scatter rich smiles in sad hearts. The secret of health for both body and mind is not to mourn for the past, worry about the future, or anticipate troubles, but to live in the present moment wisely and earnestly. Live each moment completely, and the future will take care of itself. Fully enjoy the wonder and beauty of each moment. It is spiritual poverty, not material lack, that lies at the core of all human suffering. But when the mind is calm, how quickly, how smoothly, how beautifully you will perceive everything. I am a spark from the infinite. I am not flesh and bones. I am light. In helping others to succeed, I shall find my own prosperity. In the welfare of others, I shall find my own well-being. I am infinite. I am spaceless. I am tireless. I am beyond body thought and utterance. Beyond all matter and mind. I am endless bliss. It is not your passing thoughts or brilliant ideas, so much as your plain, everyday habits that control your life. Live simply. Don't get caught in the machine of the world. It is too exacting. By the time you get what you were seeking, your nerves are gone. The heart is damaged, and the bones are aching. Resolve to develop your spiritual powers more earnestly from now on. Learn the art of right living. If you have joy, you have everything. So learn to be glad and contented. Have happiness now. Be kind to others, so that you may learn the secret art of being kind to yourself. Love cannot be had for the asking. It comes only as a gift from the heart of another. Divisions are imaginary lines drawn by small minds. God is the life behind your life, the sight behind your eyes, the taste behind your tongue, and the love behind your love. To realize this to the fullest extent is self-realization. Without God's power, you can do nothing. If you always hold this thought, you cannot go wrong, because you will have purified the temple of your mind and your soul with the vibrations of God. Mind is the creator of everything. You should therefore guide it to create only good. If you cling to a certain thought with dynamic willpower, it finally assumes a tangible outward form. When you are able to employ your will always for constructive purposes, you become the controller of your destiny. Live quietly in the moment and see the beauty of all before you. The future will take care of itself. For every tomorrow is determined by every today.